It's one of the greatest, if not the greatest, questions in all of science. Are we alone in the universe? For centuries, this inquiry has captivated philosophers, astronomers, and curious minds alike. The vastness of the cosmos, with its billions of galaxies, each filled with countless stars and potentially habitable worlds, beckons us with its mysteries. We stand at the intersection of curiosity and scientific inquiry, contemplating a question as old as human wonder itself. Is there life beyond Earth? It seems almost certain that life, and perhaps entire civilizations, exist elsewhere. After all, within the portion of the universe we can observe, there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Our observable cosmos may represent only a tiny fraction of a potentially infinite universe. With such vast numbers, the probability of other life forms is high. The real question isn't whether life exists, but how far we would have to travel to find it. Perhaps it's not even within our own galaxy, and if not, contacting life in another galaxy would likely remain forever out of reach. Yet even within the Milky Way, with its 400 billion stars, the question remains, what forms of life might be out there? As we probe deeper into space, the notion of alien life transforms from a whimsical idea into a serious scientific consideration. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars, and recent astronomical breakthroughs have revealed thousands of exoplanets. Many of these lie in the so-called habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might support life as we know it. Imagine, if you will, a dazzling diversity of life forms evolving on countless worlds, each a unique experiment in cosmic biology. The same laws of chemistry and physics that gave rise to life on Earth apply throughout the universe, suggesting that the processes that sparked life here could have occurred elsewhere. Moreover, the universe's immense age, nearly 14 billion years, provides ample time for life to develop intelligence and technology. Our own planet, at a mere 4.5 billion years old, is relatively young by cosmic standards. Older star systems could have birthed civilizations that rose, thrived, and advanced technologically far beyond our current capabilities. This leads us to a perplexing contradiction. If life is abundant, and if intelligent species have had billions of years to explore the galaxy, why haven't we found clear evidence of their existence? This conundrum is epitomized by the Fermi paradox, a puzzling gap between the high probability of alien life and the complete lack of definitive signs. One theory that attempts to reconcile this paradox is the zoo hypothesis. It suggests that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might be aware of our existence and actively observing us, just as zookeepers observe animals, without making direct contact. According to this idea, these civilizations might have imposed a kind of galactic quarantine, deliberately avoiding interference so that we can develop naturally. They could be waiting for us to reach some ethical or technological threshold before introducing themselves. Under this scenario, our galaxy might be teeming with intelligent life that chooses to remain hidden, quietly watching our progress. Interest in the possibility of alien visitation has resurfaced in recent years, fueled by the declassification of government documents, improvements in astronomical technology, and the enduring allure of the unknown. Yet, despite this renewed curiosity, many scientists maintain a healthy skepticism. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. We know from our own history how difficult it is to confirm the presence of life, even on Earth, billions of years in the past. Finding definitive proof of alien life, let alone advanced civilizations, would be an immense challenge. We have sophisticated missions, like the Perseverance rover on Mars, searching for ancient biosignatures. Even if it discovers complex organic compounds, scientists would remain cautious. Samples would likely need to be returned to Earth and analyzed extensively in our most advanced laboratories. Determining whether life once thrived on Mars after billions of years, would still be controversial and time-consuming. How much more difficult, then, to identify life in distant star systems? Our efforts to detect extraterrestrial civilizations, such as the SETI program, have so far yielded no verifiable signals. Occasional anomalous readings fail to repeat upon further observation, leaving us with no conclusive evidence. It's possible that truly advanced civilizations operate on scales or use technologies we cannot yet perceive. If such civilizations exist, and if they are millions or even billions of years older than ours, their capabilities might be incomprehensible. They could master interstellar travel, manipulate cosmic structures, or even control space-time itself. From our perspective, they might appear godlike. Conceivably, they could be observing young civilizations like ours, studying us as we evolve. If humanity endures for millions of years and overcomes its current limitations, we, too, might eventually serve as quiet custodians for emerging life in distant galaxies, participating in this grand cosmic cycle. However, the zoo hypothesis and similar ideas face their own critiques. If advanced civilizations are so powerful, why can't we detect their megastructures or energy signatures? Perhaps they have learned to leave no trace. Or maybe their motivation to build such grand constructs diminishes over time. Without direct evidence, we are left speculating. Some suggest that civilizations inevitably self-destruct before achieving interstellar travel. Others argue that civilizations may lose the drive to explore, although that seems counterintuitive, given that exploration and discovery are fundamental to progress. In the end, we simply don't know. The Fermi paradox remains unresolved. Elon Musk and other thinkers have openly wondered why we see no sign of a cosmic community. If other civilizations exist, where are their artifacts, their signals, their footprints in the stars? As we stand at the edge of what we know, the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the greatest scientific and philosophical endeavors of our time. It's not just about finding aliens, it's about understanding our place in the cosmos. Whether we are solitary wanderers in a vast and empty universe or part of a larger hidden community, each new discovery and hypothesis draws us closer to unraveling the grand mysteries that lie beyond our world's horizon. In the meantime, we keep listening, searching, and questioning. Our quest for cosmic company continues, each small step a testament to our enduring curiosity and our unwavering desire to understand the boundless, enigmatic universe we call home.